Hi, welcome to HR Quest. I'm Kaushik. Self-analysis, self-evaluation and understanding what do you really stand for is very imperative for every individual today. A good manager is the one who knows about himself very well. So that's why you know about yourself and you rate yourself every point in time and in your life. So when you go for an interview, often you would come across a question like, how do you rate yourself as a professional? Well, a lot of people get confused, and even I have met a lot of people in person, those who say, what is the best answer and what is an ideal answer? To me, if you ever talk about 5, it's always being average. So it's very simple that you go above average, 6, 7 or 8. If you rate yourself as 6, 7 or 8, that means you are on a positive side and there's always room for improvement. If you are a fresher, you should always try to rate yourself on the scale of 6, 7 or 8. That means you are positive, you want to do well, and you really want to create some scope for your improvement. For example, if you are a mid-level guy and really looking for a change, and then this question comes to you, you can always rate yourself in between, let's say 7 to 9, because you have spent some time in the market, or let's say on the job, you have worked with some previous companies, and the most important part is you have picked up some skills, but still there's always a room of improvement. And this room for improvement is always going to be learned as you actually go in your career, you keep changing your job, you start exploring some new potential in you, and you start reskilling yourself. That's why you should ideally rate yourself in between 7 to 9. And if you're an expert, you have been an industry veteran, and let's say be it any domain of management, if you have been able to gain a lot of expertise, you can always rate yourself in between 8 or 9. Yes, some people, those who have done great things, you may be a CEO of a company, you must have won awards, you must have been recognized usually by the industry, for which you can always say that I have brought this new innovation to the industry, I have changed the dynamics of the industry, and I revolutionized entire practices. You can always say that I rate myself 10 on 10. So in this manner, it is not important at how do you rate yourself, but when you have rated yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excellent, be it fixed 6, 7, 8 or 9, it's very important that you substantiate and you justify why have you rated yourself 6 on a scale of 1 to 10, why have you rated yourself 9 on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excellent. If you know that there's always room for improvement and you have been on a positive note and you're still looking for a scope of improvement, and then you're up to it, you can always rate yourself above 5 and in between 5 to 10, but be ready to justify your answer that why do you feel that you're 6, 7 or 8. To know more about such interview tips, you do visit hrquest.com. Thank you.